Hi everyone, my name is Waseem Hashem. I'm the go-to-market lead for Microsoft Europe, Middle East and Africa office. Well, first of all, thanks for having me. This year is like every year, it's a wonderful year and we're excited with all the energy in GITEX. The things that we're showcasing and focusing on this year is the agentic AI. A lot of people hear it as a buzzword, but it's an actual thing and it's real. And this is not really a futuristic view. This is what we see today and witness with customers. So agentic AI is basically a generation or evolution of AI where we go beyond having AI as your personal assistant or a tool that you can use for productivity, but agents that can act on their own, stand alone, and become a strategic partner of your organization or your team. Absolutely. So this year is pivotal where we see AI is getting out of the lab into real strategic initiatives in companies. Some of the areas where customers struggle with is either data readiness or skilling and readiness of people, because it's a change in behavior and how we work. AI is not really a technological change as much as a change in how we work fundamentally and how we organize ourselves. For example, we've seen customers redesign their job descriptions for AI readiness. So AI readiness, and that's where we're helping in skilling. For example, Microsoft have committed to upskill 100,000 government employees in the UAE. And aside from that, over 1 million resident and citizen of the United Arab Emirates. And that to help the transformation and accelerate the goals toward the vision of 2031. The other thing also is not only having a state-of-the-art data centers that Microsoft have delivered in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, but also we committed to bring more workloads to enable highly restricted or highly regulated industries such as public sector to be able to enable AI in their organization. One of which is the announcement we made yesterday, probably you've heard of it, which is bringing the data processing of Copilot in country. This way, the highly regulated customers like the public sector can go with the AI initiative all the way. That's a very good question, because innovation does not come at the cost of, or the cost of either responsible use or energy reservation. And that's something fundamental in how Microsoft deliver AI. For example, the artificial intelligence solutions, whether Copilot or OpenAI or any of the AI LLMs that we deliver on Azure, are built on the fundamental security, privacy, and data protection and responsible use that Microsoft use across all the platforms. So it's not an after-the-fact add-on, but something integrated and built within the Microsoft fundamental solutions. I would say data is essential for AI. The problem is with organizations that were lagging a little bit behind in cloud adoption and restructuring their data. We usually talk to customers about get your data ready for AI, but I wouldn't say this is something that has to be sequential. Today, customers experiment with AI in certain areas and fields where data is ready while they're getting their data ready, just like they're getting their users ready, their upscaling ready. So this is something that can go in parallel. But AI is accelerating the data readiness. And that's why cloud adoption and moving your workloads to cloud where you have high security, high data, privacy, security, and readiness is there. So cloud is an essential part of AI. And that's where we work with customers to accelerate the cloud adoption.